It's the Wednesday before one of the biggest holiday weekends, and my task today is to get this house livable so the clients can come and spend the weekend here. As you're about to see, that is going to be a really tall task. Hey Anthony, good to meet you.
Good to meet you.
We have a little bit of a situation here today. So the problem is now the movers are here to move in furniture, and the place is a total disaster. And stuff is everywhere. We're gonna just kind of wing it here today.
No worries.
See how it goes. I'll show you the rooms. There are 3 new bedrooms, new construction, but there were 5 existing bedrooms. So we're reworking the 5 existing bedrooms and installing the 3 new bedrooms. This one, the bed is going on this wall. Start it 9 inches off of this wall and 20 inches off of this wall. This one's gonna be tight, like really tight. The bed is a pretty high headboard, but I think what I figured is if it was turned upside down at the bottom of the stairs and then tilted, one leg could get up under. I think it'll work.
If not, I go to sewer.
Super excited to have my Featherstone rug in the pumice and navy colorway show up in this installation. It's gonna look fantastic, and I can't wait for you to see all the fun orange color pops. This rug is really gonna make this room shine. Yeah, perfect, perfect. God, it's so cute. The inspiration for this room was fun Hamptons color pop, and orange and navy are a great color combination. The rug is sort of the springboard for the overall design, but I'm gonna love how these nightstands really pop in front of this navy wall. It's exciting. Yeah, this way a little bit. Okay. When you're going for Hamptons coastal design, anytime you can incorporate some sort of natural weave or natural wicker, that really helps sort of just give that beachy coastal feel.
This is the king.
This is the king. You might want to just make sure the headboard gets up there. I have a backup plan if it doesn't. So it's difficult sometimes to get furniture up a stairwell where the ceiling comes down at such a steep angle, but I think I've carefully measured so that the beds are going to fit up there. Fingers crossed it's going to work. Stay tuned. All right. Yay. It made it. Oh, awesome. You guys are the best. So exciting. We got it up. That's what we needed. Yeah, if this comes out a little bit, that's totally fine. Oftentimes people will try to pull a rug all the way to the wall that their bed is on, but you don't need to do that. You could leave a little extra space. The most important thing is you want to make sure when you actually get out of bed, your feet touch rug. That's the most important part. The lamps would go into that. This goes into the Zap It. This remote control is wireless, so it allows you to easily turn all your lamps on and all your lamps off just using the remote. Oh, great. I love an upholstered headboard. It's just such a soft, luxurious, comfortable look. And I think in this setting, sort of the tan with the nice navy welt really is a great detail. Oh, fantastic. You can see there's a lot of work that needs to be done in here. Ah! But it's gonna come together, for sure it will. I just don't know when. We started this morning with a navy wall and nothing else in this room, but I'm absolutely thrilled with the turnout at the end of the day. I wanted it to have kind of a coastal chic feel, and I used the colors navy, coral, and tan as a springboard for the design. I think the pattern on the sheeting is really fun and fabulous. I love how the orange nightstands really pop on the navy wall, and the bold artwork over the bed really helps to make a style statement. I love the mother of pearl mirror. It's big, it reflects a lot of light, great textured wood pieces, and a carpet that sort of pulls all the different colors together. I think they're going to be super happy and will love spending weekends in this room. Oh, good grief. Ah! None of the doors have doorknobs. Who picked this builder? Yuck, look what's in this thing.
Libby.
And then try it. Ah! This is crazy. Oh my God. Wow, we've got a lot to do here.